Racing just is started. We have shut up. Break weak leader start. Deadly Storm down on the inside is right choices. Rushing up now on the outside is Chanzan Dior. The next on line is Zailing Queen Mangaro. Miss Pangao comes next. Right choices is down on the inside. The next on line is Sugar Daddy Manalang, while Princess Ashley is the early trader by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Chanzan Dior by outer length, and in second is Sailing Queen. Moving up on the outside is Mangaro. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Shut Up. Right choices comes next, Quick Storm. Miss Panga is on the outside, Manalang, Deadly Storm. Then next online is Sugar Daddy, while Princess Ashley is still racing in less. And on the fourth turn, we have Chanzan Dior by our length and hop. Mangaro in second, and into the Shut Up. Down on the inside is Quick Storm. Manalang comes next, Miss Pangaw, Zailing Queen, then followed by Princess Ashley, and Diana entering the home stretch. 2 runners fighting out for the lead. Manalang moving up now on the outside is Mangaro. Down on the inside is Chanzan Dior. Shut Up also joining them. Last 100 meters, it's now Shut Up. Chanzan Dior is down on the inside, and finally Shut Up. Chanzan Dior. Then comes Mangaro, Manalang, Miss Pangawen, Princess Ashley for your Super 6.
Ganda ng dimatin